In this video, I'll show you what the term stroke means in the tattooing realm and which stroke I use for lining, packing, and shading. A properly adjusted stroke is crucial for the quality and longevity of a tattoo. A stroke that's too shallow or too deep can lead to uneven lines, inconsistent shading, and even poor healing. The stroke of a tattoo machine refers to the distance the needle travels inside the cartridge of the machine. It represents the movement of the needle from its initial position to its final position while it penetrates the skin during the tattooing process. Because all of this is quite technical, I'll just show you what stroke I use for each purpose. There are 3 categories: lining, packing, and shading. When I'm doing lines, I prefer to use a high stroke in the range of 4 to 5 millimeters. I like it because it's powerful and packs ink into the skin firmly with each hit. This type of stroke can handle larger needle groups easily and allows for better precision when outlining because you can extend the needle farther out from the tip. When I'm doing color packing, I use a medium stroke in the range of 3.5 to 4 millimeters. This stroke is perfect for filling in large areas. It has decent power but is not as aggressive to the skin as with a higher stroke. Now, onto my favorite discipline, shading. For shading, I prefer to use a stroke between 2.5 and 3.5 millimeters. A lower stroke is much gentler on the skin than a higher one, allowing for multiple passes over the same area and creating extremely fine, soft shading. Which machine should you use? Some tattoo artists use different machines, for example, one for lining and packing and another for shading. If you want to use just one machine with a fixed stroke, then I would recommend using a medium stroke of 3.5 millimeters. There are machines like this one where you can adjust the stroke, and that's of course ideal. If you're interested in such a machine, check out this video here.